I think the most important part today is altcoins. We did a stream yesterday where I was explaining you exactly why altcoins could be ramping up. I'm seeing something strange on the chart, something I just can't figure out by any means. It's about the ETH BTC pair that is finding some support. Also, while dominance keeps rocketing up, it's a very strange thing to see. So we're gonna dive into that one also. We're gonna talk about a lot of altcoins, maybe some hidden trade setups during the live stream. So first of all, push that like, please. Push that like, because it's the only way that retailers can find us. When you push the like, that's when the YouTube, whatever, will start ramping up. I know I got a call yesterday why I don't monetize my YouTube channel, because YouTube will make my my stream more visible. I'll look in that one maybe in a later stadium. For now, no monetizing. How to say? I'm not monetizing my YouTube channel. So push the like, please. Show some love and let the music start, and we'll get into it in a moment. Yes. Music is off. Check. Music is off. Check. Thumbs up if you can hear me, please. Let me see. What do I got? What do I got over here? I got Al Ferranio, Silva, Gracias, Tudy, Mario, Matic, Luca, Jules, Mcadia, Melvin, Aina, Renee. This is Bob, Alana, Farida. If I forget about you, I'm sorry. Tomorrow, Carlo, Aminos, Roy, Zigo, CB, Ngami, Egon, Birdmax, Castle, Don, Job, Walid, Muhammad Ali, the Duke Kaufman, Lewis, Diana, Willem, Elijah, Paul, Fastlane. What do I got? Noreen, Raj, a lot of new names. Greg, Alkapabs, Mario, the truck driver, Kirk, Freedom, Facox, John, Ash, Lars, Mark, Lewis, Top Dog. Music is off. Thanks, bro. Castle, Raul, Bash, our buddy Bash. He's been killing it. We're gonna talk about Bash today, by the way, guys. We're going to talk about Bash today because he's a great example from what I'm going to talk about today. Silva, August, Small Coins, Colorado, Irish Guy, T-Blue, Mamar, Bonjour, Brolav, Crypto, Daniel, Mark, Capiens, Pertinax, Karim Aziz. Well, Salaam Alaikum. Karim Aziz, Salaam Alaikum. Oaz, Carlo. Okay, guys, enough. It's now all about this. So, Powell yesterday, 50 points. Let me first of all say, I had it wrong. I was wrong, because why? I expected Powell to do 25 points max, or even do nothing maybe, but high probably for 25 points. My 50 points, I didn't see that one coming. I really didn't see that one coming. I know that there is this election coming up, and you know, he has to do something, and maybe he's forced to do something with the current administration. Listen, bro, just cut the damn rates, don't care about what happens after, let's just get it through the election. So it could be because he also admitted this in February, when he was getting bullish, and then after it in an interview. By the way, guys, I listen and follow Powell more than anyone in the world. So Powell, I know more about Powell than I know about anyone from my near people. So I really follow Powell. So he you know, by any means, this guy, what he did was this. I understand Powell. I really understand the guy. And why do I understand him? Because a lot of banks are getting in trouble. A lot of economic things are in trouble. And this guy wants to get re-elected, to be chairman again, to be the president, etc. And, you know, at some point, this guy, what he did was, listen, I'm just going to cut that 50 points. And, you know, they can never tell me afterwards that I didn't try. But how is it possible? Because everything he has been saying is just one big circus. And why? Because he only said that we will start cutting rates if the markets, if it's necessary. Well, it wasn't necessary. Why? Because we made a new all-time high again. So I don't know what he's going to do, but at some point, this is going to happen. But let me give you guys another insight. What we have seen is that the US 500, first of all, everyone knows these are the biggest bulls in the world. I've been repeating myself for weeks and weeks and weeks now. Wall Street are the biggest bulls in the world. They just don't care. And, you know, resistance, we had this triple over here. I pointed it out, but also said to you guys, if there is someone that can break this all-time highs over and over again, it's Wall Street. Wall Street just doesn't care. They're always breaking any form of resistance. And, you know, we broke over here. We had a reaction from Bitcoin. Finally, Bitcoin started moving. I saw some bullish, there were yesterday, because we had the DXY ramping up, but I knew that was just temporary. That was just to get to flush those early hungry longs out, and I saw the DXY ramping up, gold making a dump down, but I knew this was just temporary. And you know, while that was happening, I saw that Bitcoin was holding very strong. So I knew Bitcoin was going to make a move over there. So for now, guys, this is now my level. I already shared this like 2 days ago. This is now the level that I'm eyeing. This is the resistance level that I'm eyeing. So this will be 730. So if 730 gets rejected, we're gonna prepare ourselves also in crypto for that one. So this is now what I'm eyeing. Also, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what happened yesterday. This is DXY, guys. DXY made this dump. Let me put it on the 1 hour. It made this dump up, down when Powell, when the news came out, and then we had this rise up. And this was, in my opinion, just temporary. This was just flushing out. Look, this one. Look at this one, guys. This one is ramping up. So over here we had this high on gold when the news came out, and then boom, they flushed out those hungry longs. And this happens a lot, guys. If you are really a professional trader, you know this is gonna happen. So this is when people will load up again, and then boom. This was just a scammy dump. And you saw on the DXY also, you saw this ramp up, And then I already prepared for the resistance line over here. I also prepared for it over here. Let me show you, I prepared for it because it's sort of a falling wedge. And over here, I thought, okay, over here, they're gonna take over again. And well, that's exactly what happened also. So this is now, we have to see the DXY will probably come down. And I have to, this ramp up also is giving Wall Street more power to pump. Because this thing, the blue box is still very far away, guys. So this could give Wall Street more power over here to even break this level over here. And let me just tell you this, if we're gonna break this level, this is super bullish for crypto. We're probably gonna see a lot more upside on Bitcoin and on a lot of altcoins. So we'll get into that one in a moment. So now this is more important than crypto. At this moment, we have to calculate where we are. So I'm trying to find some support for the DXY over here. And what I've been checking is this one. This is the best chart to check if you want to see the DXY where it's going. Because this chart is the closest you will see on Bitcoin. It's very strange, I know. But the euro against the USD is the chart that looks the most similar to Bitcoin. Yes, I know, it's sick. I know, it's sick. But let me show you Bitcoin. Yeah, I need a clear chart. If you let me. But if you look at this, look at this. Look at this. This is no, not this one. This one. Look at this. This one. Look how this looks. And look at Bitcoin. It looks almost the same. So I know it's very sick. So this is a Forex pair that looks almost because this chart, the euro against the dollar, is I don't know what it is. I know probably nobody will ever tell you this. You'll never see this, but you only see this with M. Will Killer because he's crazy. He's always looking for this to break the system. And this chart is really because this level over here and go test this one. This will destroy the DXY also. You'll destroy the DXY also. You'll see the DXY dumping even harder. Listen, guys, I'm connecting a lot of charts and maybe it's going too fast for you guys, but I hope that you guys understand. So if this one goes to these levels over here, to this resistance level, this will destroy the DXY and will be good for Bitcoin and crypto overall. So keep that in mind. So maybe this is just the beginning, so we'll get some more upside. But let me go back to the US 500 because I want to go back. Either way, if this thing will break up, make a new high over here, whatever is going to happen over here, I think that the momentum will keep going on because we're now in. Maybe we'll get a scammy dump and then the momentum will go on until November, until the election, because we really need this election. After the election, that's when we can see the charts just clear, because the manipulation will be decreasing very, very hard at that moment. But also what I've been explaining you guys, Wall Street has no more reason. Now, let me explain myself, not that way. Let me explain myself another way. Wall Street will not have a lot of shorters to wreck now. This is the problem. Because this move up that we saw, this move up the past 2 years, the media was feeding us a lot of bearish stuff. So Wall Street had always shorters to wreck. So these were all shorters that were following the sentiment, following the news, following whatever. So this was helping Wall Street to keep ramping up. So they were wrecking shorts over and over and over. They just, okay, put out the sentiment, the bearish sentiment, yes, we're going down, whatever. And then liquidate the shorts, liquidate them. And the price has been, now they don't own these ones. Because why? Because now the media is, well, the rates are cut, we're going up, the banks will be okay, everything will be okay. So how will Wall Street react to that? Well, for now, we had this scammy dump down, but it was just, in my opinion, this is just a flush out. It happens a lot. This is not, you know, it's really, this is really, I don't know how to say it. It's just pathetic. It's just that this was, suppose, okay, we're going down. So now we're going up. This is the normal price action. So for now, this level is very important for us to watch, because it's just, I think that by the afternoon we'll reach over here. So this is, these bulls, they just don't care. They just don't care. They just keep ramping up again and again. So this is the resistance line, guys. And over here is also where you have to be careful. So this was about, I'm not going to talk about it anymore. So what are our friends doing at Bitfinex? What are they doing? Well, what they are doing is this. They have been over here in the box, and again they started opening up shorts. So Bitfinex will started to accumulate shorts at these levels, and they just don't care. They accumulate more and more and more and more as long as we go up. This, by the way, guys, this was also our buy signal, our bullish signal, this one. Because we have been holding 1, 2, 3. So over here we lost the indicator, and this was the buy signal. So for now, the next support level is the 200 EMA. So over here we've got some space. You might get a retest over here. If the retest goes up, that's bearish for Bitcoin, but then at the bearish retest, this move down will be very bullish. So we also lost support over here. So if this M is going to break, if we're gonna get something like this sort of M, if we're gonna go down, or maybe even down to this line again, you see this road is super bullish for crypto on the short term. So you can make a lot of money on the short term. So speaking about a lot of money, a lot of you guys, when you follow me, watch my streams, you'll see I give you guys the macro perspective. And the macro perspective, in my opinion, didn't change. Even when Powell did his 50 points, I don't care. Nothing changed in my opinion. The only thing that changed in my opinion is at the short term, when we're trading, we're gonna make money up. Because why? The signs are showing us that we're going down over here and also over here. You see, we lost the indicator also on the PAX GPTC. We're almost getting into here. So this is where you have to be careful when you're at these levels, not at those levels. But now I get like, some people, yeah, but Ambi, wait a minute, but like Sui, for example, is going up. Listen, Sui, I had my blue zone was over here. But when I see bullish things happen, suppose this one, or the breakout on this one, you'll understand that the team will not short that. First of all, the team will have nailed it, and they nailed it on another chart. I want to show you guys now. The team 2 days ago, I think it was 2 days ago, what the team did was this. The team, they had this chart of mine. They had this chart, and in their paid private group, they were preparing to make some shorts. When they saw that this happened, so we came into this support zone. So all of you guys that have been watching my streams past days, you already know this. What they did is in their paid group, they told their members, listen, take profits on all shorts, and we're not going to look for any shorts again. Why? Because we're reaching the support level over here, and this bounce up that you're seeing over here, this could create more momentum on altcoins. You see what they did? They protected themselves from getting wrecked or losing trades. So what you gotta do, but wait a minute, okay, they knew this, so no shorting, so also not Sui. Sui was not shorted over here. I also did not share anything in the free private. If I saw some bearish signs, then I would have. But listen very carefully over here, because we had like Bash, he's now over here in the free private, in the chat, I'm seeing him. Listen guys, everyone in my free private group is educated to leverage trade. Every single one of you guys. You've got trading course vids. I explain it into details. When you want to trade and you want to make money, you've got this monster. This is the MW indicator. By the way, if you don't have it, Blofin and Weex links are below. Trade over there on just average normal. Read the description and you'll get this indicator for free. You guys have all been educated how to trade this. So if you see something like this, this was that bearish before Powell, we got this 200 EMA backing it up. And over here, we closed above it and the bullish sentiment, Bitcoin tried to break out. This is your entry. And even if I would do a box over here that I'm interested in shorting, but I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. I short only when the circle has to be round and I'm seeing some bearish signs. That's when you're gonna use this one and you're gonna do it the opposite way. But if everything is Bitcoin is breaking out, you don't need me to tell you what to do. You're educated to do it yourself. I give you guys all the alpha, I give you guys all the tools, and I also share with you guys the sentiment. If it's bearish, if it's bullish, I share it with you, so you know it. So over here, you enter, boom, 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 back, boom, 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 test, up, boom, 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 over here. Another great entry, over here, hold, 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 boom, up. And it's traveling over here. So that's how you gotta make money. That's also all those P&Ls that you have been seeing by Bash. That's what you're seeing by Bash. He's making all those P&Ls. He's just doing exactly what I'm showing you now. And I can show you this on a lot of charts. It's the same. There are even some coins that are doing this on a 50 minutes. Let me show you guys FTM, for example. Listen, FTM, same story. This was that bearish. This was that bearish before Powell. Up, back, retest, retest, boom, boom, boom. Retest, 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 boom, boom, boom. Now in the red zone, we almost hit this level. So if you also have this red zone, you know, well, we're probably gonna take some profits over here because we're getting into the red zone. But you see, it's holding again and again over here. Listen, guys, if you don't own this indicator, you're really a thief of your own pockets. You need this indicator because it's the only thing that will help you to make those winning trades. And you have to be also never blind for whatever happens into the markets. Never be bullish, never be bearish. Just trade based on what you see, just like I'm educating you guys. Let me show you guys another one. Yes, for example, this one. Yeah, I want to talk about this one and then we're going to pause and then I'm going to forget about the music and then I'm going to talk the second half to myself while the music is running. That's what's going to happen. I know, in about 5 minutes, that's what's going to happen. Guys, I already shared, listen, this chart is super important, guys. This chart, I've been sharing it now. Guys, this chart is super important. Why is it important? Because we are altcoins traders. We are altcoin traders. We make money 30, 40, 50, 60, 100, 200, 300% on spot backs. This chart is very important. Why is it important? Because this shows us when altcoins outperform Bitcoin. But now let me give you guys what's very strange this time. And I'm still figuring out what it is. You see this one? This means that people are flipping their Bitcoin into ETH. Over here, we didn't even manage to get, because I want this line to hit, by the way. I really want this line to hit. I want this line to hit over here. But either way, what I don't understand is this. This is a daily candle today. And this is a red candle. So this is normal. But if you would watch this one, this candle here, green. So when that candle has green, this has to be red. But it's not red enough in my opinion, because we're still ramping up. I wanted to see a bigger candle down. What is going on? Bitcoin is, the dominance chart is just ramping up. While a lot of altcoins are doing great, but it's maybe 5% of the altcoins are doing good. The rest is just those moves of 3, 4, 5%, whatever. No big, but it has to do with this monster. Let me put on the indicator so you can see it. This monster up over here, it just keeps ramping up. So in my opinion, I really hope that this thing will reach the 60%, 59, 60%. I really hope, because why? Those will be the times that altcoins will really explode. So if you already are seeing now, thinking that altcoins made some nice rises up, it's nothing. It's nothing. So we're gonna talk about this in the second half, and I'm gonna show you guys some altcoins that are now, a lot of money is flowing in. I made a list, and I will do this in every live stream, by the way, from now on. So I will not do on Twitter what I used to do. I was showing you guys the top 5 altcoins that had a lot of volume. No. From now on, in my live streams, I will be talking about the coins that are showing a lot of money flow in. So you can trade them mostly up and sometimes down. So I'm going to show you guys my list, and I will do that list on daily basis. So push the like, please. I'm gonna give you guys 10 seconds and then I'm gonna forget about the music and then, well, we're wrecked again. Hey guys, I'm seeing something. Is my stream not showing? What's going on? Are you guys seeing? Can I see the thumbs up if you're seeing the stream? What's going on? What's going on? Thumbs up. Thumbs up if you can see the stream. Thumbs up if you can see the stream, please. Thumbsy up. Why? Is there something wrong with my stream? I'm not seeing anything wrong from my side. I'm not seeing anything in the... It's okay. Okay, it's okay. Yes, we can. Yes. Okay, so everything is okay. Okay, seeing. So what's going on? Maybe someone has got a bad internet connection? No, okay, so most of you guys can see it. Okay, thumbs up. Okay, thank you. Okay, well, let me be clear about something because I want to be clear about this. Guys, let me show you this. Because I want to be clear about this. The team will short SUI. They're just waiting for the right moment. SUI is not the coin that's gonna pump, so be very careful. Even if they got this pump on SUI doesn't make any sense. So just keep in mind the team will short SUI. And I promise you, and I never ever break a promise, I promise you that that huge P&L will be shared on Twitter. I've said it now, so keep that in mind. SUI will get shorted very big by the team. So they're just waiting for the right moment. We are no amateurs. We don't just go in just like blind sheep. No, we know when to go short. And let me just say, we're not far from it now. So SUI will get shorted very big. So if you're holding any SUI, I suggest that you start taking some profit. It's no financial advice, but if you're holding some SUI, I suggest that you take some profits because the GTC team is coming for SUI. They got our full attention now. So that's about SUI. I want to show you guys something else. FTM. You know, I put this coin in my top 10 coins like shared, and well, boom. So congrats to everyone that has been longing for FTM or buying it at these levels. FTM has been doing great. But as you guys can see, time to take some profits. When you see red boxes, time to take some profits. Take some profits. Take some off the table. So I want to show you guys something else. This one. Turbo. You see this? This is mind-blowing. This is mind-blowing. Over here. Although Bitcoin is ramping up, everything is ramping up. Look at this, guys. Look at it. I don't know if you can see it, but listen. Boom, 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 down, huge gains. Yeah, it's you know, this is something that I want to teach you guys. While the markets are bullish, while people are making money up, professional traders are making money down. Let me take it on the 1 hour so you can see it better. Look at this. And why? Because this is a shit coin. That's why. Because this is a shit coin. That's why. Over here, shorts opened. Boom, 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 boom. We even lost this one, lost the indicator, boom, and the short is in. So you have to understand that no matter what the sentiment is, no matter what is going on, we trade the charts. We've got this monster of this indicator because look at this indicator, guys. Look at this. This is on the 1 hour. Break above it, boom, 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 hold. You also have this line over here, boom, up, down, closed above it, hold, 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 and now retesting it. But the money, but the trade was over here. This is where the trade was. Over here was the trade. And let me zoom out to you guys so you guys can see it better. This is it. And you know, this is no solid altcoin. This is just FOMO. This is just Ponzi. That's what this is. So let me go to, did I want to show you guys something else? Yes, by the way, guys, this one is losing steam. CKB is losing steam. Team really nailed this one, but you know, they are really hoping that we will reach this level over here, the 20, maybe even highs, the 21 cents. If by any means, if this thing pumps up over here, just saying, if this thing pumps up over here, the team will strike. I know that they will strike. So let me go to the list that I was talking about. Yes, I'll go to this list. Some coins that are showing a lot of money flow and volume, I'm gonna talk about them. I'm gonna show you guys like 4 or 5 of them. And you know what to do. First of all, this rare. What is rare? I really have no clue what this coin is, by the way, guys. I have no clue. So do your research on this one. One moment, please. I need to open up another window so I can give you guys my honest opinion without that you guys will start thinking, what the freak is MW talking about? Is that the one? Yeah, 21, no. Where? Oh, is it this one? One moment, it's this one. Yes, it's this one. It's not showing. It's not showing. Anyhow, guys, this thing is showing a lot of volume. It's showing super high volume. But that volume has been down. You seeing this? We made this big pump up. We're now retesting on the weekly. So keep this in mind, guys. This coin is showing whatever. I really have no clue what it is. Do your research on this coin. I'm just showing you where the money is flowing. So this one ramped up. This was a crazy pump up. I don't know. What is this? This was a 5x, I think. What is this? Why am I not seeing this? Why am I not seeing any data about this? I need some data. I need some data. One moment, please. I need some data. I need some data. 13 cents. It's super rare. Yes, it's super rare. Let me see. I just saw it. Super rare. Super rare. It's this one. Yeah, it is this one. Yes, super rare. What is this, guys? This is a 95 million market cap, 133. What is super rare is NFT? This is NFT. Okay, you guys know how I think about NFTs, but either way, this thing is showing some power. So put on the indicator on the lower time frame and look at it. Let me go to the next one. Auction. Auction is also showing. Oh my God, look at this chart. Boom, boom, boom. This one is also showing a lot of volume. But we're still, you see this, we're still below the indicator. But it's showing a lot of volume, this auction coin. Auction. You see these spikes up. Let me check auction for a moment. Auction. Let me check. Auction. Yes, guys, same. It's showing a lot of volume also over here. But this also below. Listen, guys, everything that you see below the indicator on the weekly, be very careful. That's bearish. But I'm just saying it's showing a lot of volume. Let me go to the next one. LDO. We already talked about this one, and it was at a pretty nice range. Also a lot of volume showing over here. But you know, LDO, guys, the thing about LDO, why I'm so bullish on LDO, it's because of this, guys. Look at this. Let me remove this indicator. Look at this, guys. LDO, look. What is this? Do you know how much upside is possible on LDO? LDO, guys, something is going on with this LDO. I don't know what it is with this LDO. But we have to keep an eye on it. So when it ramps up, we have to be in. So Lido, guys, I'm saying this coin, I don't know what it is, but this coin is so super wrecked against Bitcoin, and it's showing a lot of volume also. So these, by the way, guys, these coins that I'm showing you now, trade them on the lower time frame. Let me give you an example how to trade these coins. Let me give you an example how we gonna trade these coins. Let me remove all of this. So we got a clean chart. Let me remove the alarms. Go away, go away, go away. So for example, if you want to trade this, this is how you trade this. You put it on the 1 hour. You put on the indicator. What are we seeing over here? We're seeing that we broke through the 200 EMA and the indicator, which is super bullish. And then this would be a nice entry. And then if you want to trade it, no, MW, I want to trade it now. Put it on the 4 hour. What are you seeing? You're seeing over here that the 200 EMA is blocking it back. So what you're going to do is be very careful at this level. So for example, you put on a line over here. So this is a resistance level. Focus now, make notes. It's very important what I'm showing you guys now. So you're going to put your alarm over here. So this is resistance. So be very careful. Don't go long any coins when they hit resistance. Because in my opinion, let me just tell you how it is. In my opinion, over here is when you open up a short and not a long. Because look at this, guys. Look at this box over here. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? It comes together. The 200 EMA comes perfectly together with a lot of liquidity over here. There's a lot of price action over here. So even though that we did ramped up, so this was a nice pump, but over here, this is when you will short and not long. But let's say you want to trade this for scalping or whatever. Then you'll put it over here. You see this move up. This is on the 15 minutes yesterday. Boom, up. You open up your long over here. Boom, 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 boom. And over here is where you exit your trade. So it's trying to break up again, but keep this in mind. This is how you trade these coins. So let me go to the next one. Let me go to the next one. Free education today. Push the like. Free education. You're not going to get this type of alpha on YouTube. Just push on the like, please. So next, Arkham is showing a lot of strength also. Arkham, a lot of strength. And listen, guys, these coins, I'm showing you guys the coins that are showing a lot of volume. So it means that I don't know who they are, sharks, whales, whatever they are, but these guys are the money is flowing over here. So same thing. We have this triple, this accumulation zone, it's trying to break out over here. So if this thing will find some momentum, Bitcoin will allow, the markets allow. Let me see, what is this? What is this? What is this? Maybe 30% bounce up. But you trade it, don't trade it like a blind sheep. Oh, wait a minute, MW, wait, they're gonna close above it, then I'll just open up my long and just, that's not how it works. It works like this. Over here, the same way. You wait for a good entry, you go in. Let me put it on the 4 hour. What are we seeing? The same. We're getting rejected by the 200 EMA over here. So, but if this thing breaks above it, it will find momentum and it goes very fast. So that's Arkham. Listen, we already broke above it over here on the USDT pair. So this is where the money is flowing. And guys, it may sound a bit weird, but I already knew this like 8 hours ago. And look at this. It's just where the money is flowing. That's why I will do this. I will do these coins on daily basis in every live stream. I will show you guys exactly what altcoins are showing power and showing power against Bitcoin, and also showing power on a lot of volume. So this is trading wise. I'm not interested in Arkham long term, but trading wise, this coin might make you a lot of money. Put it on the 15 minutes. Look at it. Pum, pum, pum. Okay, over here, break, retest, boom, boom, retest, boom, boom. And then we'll probably maybe get some more bullish momentum over here. So this is the next one. So Arkham is also showing. Keep an eye on Arkham today. By the way, guys, these coins that I'm showing you is just for today. Or maybe tomorrow. But these coins are just for today for you guys to make some money. The ones that are showing a lot of power. Where the money is flowing. That's what I'm showing you now. Let me go to the next one. Blast. I already shared Blast. I shared it in the free private. So the ones that have been trading this making a lot of money, because I shared it, I think, when it was over here, or maybe even lower. I don't know where I shared it. I shared it maybe over here or here. I think here, over here I shared it. So the ones that are making money on Blast, by the way, guys, is also showing a lot of power. You know, this is me. I don't give a crap what event is going on Blast or what is going on behind the scenes, or maybe they got an event. No, I trade what the charts show me. What the charts show me, I trade it. And when I see the money is flowing, and if I see the money is flowing into Blast, it's going into Blast. Let me show you guys one more, and then we're gonna stop it. Then I'm gonna see if there are some questions. So if you've got some questions, put them in the chat, please. I'll answering some questions, and then we're gonna ramp it up. Let me show you guys another one. I'm liking this one. This one was, by the way, also shared in the free private. This one's also shared in free private. This storage coin, there's some nice volume over here. So it's getting rejected over here. Let me put my alarm in. So congrats to the ones that bought in over here or here, traded this under 15 minutes, because under 15 minutes you're probably, yes, over here, boom, boom, boom. So over here, guys, this thing, listen, it comes really beautiful together with the 15 minutes. Let me yeah, and the 4 hour, and let me see the 1 hour. Yes, this is looking great. This is looking great. If this thing comes down over here and holds this support, you'll get probably another, listen, oh, it already began. Hey guys, are you guys doing this? Don't do this. Don't do this. Someone in the chat just flipped this Bitcoin into storage. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't front run anyone. Guys, I'm just showing you guys where the money is flowing. I'm just showing you guys where the money is flowing. Listen, burp, and then someone in the chat, some will in the chat thinks, well, you know what? Okay, why not? Let me flip 5 Bitcoin into storage now. Don't do that. Don't do that. We only enter on retests. We only enter on retests. That's what we do. That's what we do. We only enter on retests. But for now, look at the 15 minutes. This is exactly what Bash, what Bash was showing you guys on Twitter. When he was responding to me, showing all those people. This is what Bash is doing. This is what Bash does. Bash knows, okay, Powell, okay, Bitcoin is probably going to break out of what MW was showing us. So there is some bullish sentiment, okay. I'm going to start looking for some longs. And he's educated. He has seen all the trading. Bash has been with me for a long time, and he is on his way to become one of the team members, and I hope a gain trader. So he's getting there. But look at this. Up, down. This is an entry for Bash. Up, above it, above it, above it, and he's just running it, because you don't have to take any profits, because we're still in the bullish momentum. As long, it doesn't matter how you feel, what you think, or whatever your wife tells you, or your girlfriend tells you, or whatever influencer or crypto guru tells you. It doesn't matter. Don't believe what you see. Don't believe what you see on CT. Believe what you see in front of you. As long as this indicator is holding, he will make you money. You're surfing it up. Because I know that Bash, as long as this thing will not get invalidated, he will stay in his trades. And you'll see that his P&Ls will get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. It's just like a snowball, and it's just rolling. And that's the only way how you make money in these markets. It's the only way. There's no other way. It's the only way how you make money. So I've been showing you guys really what happened yesterday, what's happening now, and the coins that are on pretty high volume. There's one more coin that I want to show you guys, but I will not share it. I will leave that one for the free private, because the free private also deserves to have one. There's one coin before I'm gonna see some big spikes up, because someone in the chat decides to flip some Bitcoin. I'm not gonna share it over here, so I'm gonna share it in the free private. There's another one that I'm eyeing, and it's also on a lot of volume, and well, let's see. So okay, now I'm going into the chat. What do we got? Well, let me see, nothing more. Just don't forget the music. It was not, oh my god, I thought it was running now. Super, maybe because of the shilling on, yes, definitely, Bash, definitely. It has something to do with this. Listen, guys, I'm gonna listen to what I'm gonna say now. This event in Singapore, you have to see it like this. I'm not saying it is, but you have to see it like this. These guys, these bag holders, when the event comes, before they get into the event, or while they are at the event, what they do often is they liquidate all their bags. They sell all their bags. Why? Because they're going to party, they're going to drink a lot, they're going to take some cocaine, they're going to get laid, they're going to do a lot of stuff you guys just don't want to know about. While they're doing that stuff, they don't want to get wrecked in the process. So what they do is they just liquidate and sell their bags. They sell their bags and then they go party over there. Big party, 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 while retailers are getting burned at the other side. So keep in mind that when the event comes, for crypto, be very careful, because that's when the red candles will appear most of the times. Oh my God, the US 500 is really getting into the levels already. Wait a minute, let me check. My alarm just went off. Let's go. Oh my God, this thing is a mess. These Wall Street guys, really, guys, this, I told you in the beginning of the stream, probably in the afternoon, we already reached it. And you know, it was just like half an hour ago. Look at this. Look at this. This is madness, guys. This is really madness. This is really sick. So I don't know if we're gonna get it until maybe even before market open. Reach my this level. So what was I talking about? Yeah, what was I I was over here. Where was I? I forget. Yes. So keep in mind that when the event comes, be very careful. If you're holding any coins, any longs or bags, be careful, because they might dump it on you, and dump it on you very, 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 very fast. Let's see. Reef has been pumping a lot. I know it has been pumping a lot. I'm not gonna chart it, Farida. I'm sorry, but Reef has been pumping, and also a lot of volume going on. I didn't choose it today in my top lists, Farida, but it's pumping and a lot of volume going on. But I think that already pumped a lot. Thank you for the free education. Okay, no problem. Listen, make my list. Okay. First of all, thank you for my question. How do you find this? Do you have a list of... Listen, Fastlane, I just made, in the weekend, I think, I made a stream and I explained how you can chase and find those. It was like, the title was finding altcoins without watching influencers or whatever. I explained exactly how you can find those coins. So go watch that vid. Respect, Bas. Thank you, Cody. Bas. How do we trade when we concern on what the funding rates are and how you can find. Jules, I don't know if you are in the free private group, but by the way, guys, yesterday, I had a meeting with a team again. It was a very long meeting. That's why I wasn't so active in the morning also. There's a lot going on between me and the team at this moment. It's really, I'm not going to bother you guys with it, but let's just say this. We came to an agreement in the morning, and Jules, you are not, if you're not trading on volume, you're not in the free private group, the ones that are in the team group will get access to my free private group for 1 week. And why are we going to give them that? Because I'm struggling with the team. They are willing to share a lot of trade setups, a lot of them, but they're too risky. And, you know, I just don't allow it, because I've got one rule: nobody gets wrecked on my watch. And if you get wrecked, it's your own. You did it your own. It's your own fault. But nobody will get wrecked on my watch. And you know, that's why I gave them the green light in the morning before I started streaming. I gave them the green light that they could the ones that are joining them, they get access to my group for 1 week. And why 1 week? Because in that week they can scroll through all what I shared, and they can also see all the trading course vids for my, I don't care if you want to download them, whatever, do with them what you want. So everyone from their group will get access also to my group. And it's just for me to when they start sharing like 10 trade setups a day and trading whatever what they're doing over there, I have a free mind that all the people that are joining them, they have been educated how to leverage trade. Because if you don't know how to leverage trade and they start sharing trade setups, they could make money while you're getting wrecked. It's possible, because if you don't know how to leverage trade, it's super dangerous. First of all, educate yourself how to leverage trade, and that's when you'll go into, well. So Jules, if you are in their group or my group, you'll see the trading course video about that one. Also, reef rates very hard. Just something, guys. Thank you. I love you all. I hope that you guys learned something today from this stream. And guys, be prepared for what's going to happen. What we talked about in the first first half of the stream. And keep in mind on this one, guys, because this rise up is getting caused by this one. It's getting caused by this one. This is causing it, by the way, guys. This dump down. So, and you know, the scary part is that we're just over here. This thing might dump to the blue box. And if this thing dumps to the blue box, this thing will definitely break above here and make really sick highs. So that's when I think I start calculating the next resistance level on this one, because if this one will start dumping, the US 500 will probably break this. But for now, this is the resistance level. Let's see if it breaks or not. We just trade based on what we see. But guys, if this thing breaks up, by the way, Bitcoin will probably make more highs. Keep that in mind. And the altcoins that I talked about, watch them, trade them. Watch them and trade them. You could make a lot of money. So for the ones that want this scary, sick indicator, you can send me a DM on Twitter. My Twitter name is in the description. And in the description, you'll also find the links to Blofin and Weex. And we're working on something new, something huge. So my mind is, I'm getting so tired past this, because I'm working on something that I promised you guys I'm gonna do, and it's getting close. It's getting very close. So there's coming maybe a crypto school. There will be, there are some people that wanna work with me. There are some people that wanna help the retail fam. There are some people that wanna train people to leverage trade. There is a lot going on. I cannot say too much about it, but we're going big, and we're going also, a lot more pro, because for now it's just me and the screens and doing my thing. And I know I do better than most of those people that have like 10 or 20 or 30 people, but we want to do it more. We're going to organize it better. So if you want to join us, want an indicator, trade on Blofin or Weex, links are below. Thank you very much for watching. I love you all. Push the like while you go away, and I'll be updating you guys today on Twitter. I think I will be tweeting a lot today. So if you have any meetings or whatever, put my notification on off, because I think I will be tweeting a lot today. Thank you very much. Have a nice one. Enjoy the music, and bye-bye.